Today we are in Zurich in an event organized by Gulfstream, where we have a G280, G650, G600 and the brand new Gulfstream flagship G700. At first sight we notice is longer than the G650. We can count 10 windows versus the 8 windows of the G650. This model is 6 feet or 3 meters longer than the G650, allowing us to have up to 4 different living areas. Inside first we are gonna visit the cockpit. The G700 has the new called Gulfstream Symmetry flight deck. Some controls were moved from the side to the center console to allow space for the side sticks. The avionics our Honeywell Primus Epic is one of the most advanced in business aviation. It features integrated touchscreen controllers, next generation flight management system and other innovations from Honeywell. We got 2 new generation HUDs instead of 1. Now all the interaction with the airplane is done through touchscreens. Even the overhead panel was replaced with 3 interchangeable touchscreens. The dark cockpit has black leather seats, which makes it feel like a sports car. This particular airplane has a galley with a bathroom for the crew, but a crew rest version will be put in most of the models. Then we have a living room area with a sofa and TV to watch movies. Another 4 seats area from where we can see the impressive wing and winglets of this G700. On a different cabin we have a full bedroom with a fixed double bed. And last, a complete bathroom. Optional, there is a shower, so passengers can land totally refreshed after the impressive 7,750 nautical miles range that this airplane has. That is about 12-13H flight. The cargo area is accessible during flight and size is similar to other Gulfstreams like G650 or G600. First G700 was just delivered to Qatar Executive, and it is available for charter. In case you are interested, the price tag of this beauty is $81 million.